Ayutthaya. Good evening. This is Ayutthaya city in Thailand. Now I already come here in railway station. After that I have to go Ayutthaya railway station. Yes, today visit Ayutthaya city in Thailand. This city also tourist picnic point. Very beautiful city. Ayutthaya. Ayutthaya. This yes, viewers, is Ayutthaya. Old temple here, all, and water view also here. Same like a river, small, and right now is closed. It's raining season. Maybe after that is I have to go another place, because evening time, after maybe few minutes it will come dark here. Cannot walk, it's very dark, no light. Otherwise this water is beautiful, and this bridge, nice view. And this is the red color flowers tree. And beautiful view, Ayutthaya. Actually I don't know, here is very quiet. Maybe the time is morning only, just come people here, but the evening nobody here. This is the temple, Ayutthaya. Ice cream seller here. Where is the temple? This only? Ah. Tumpai?
Okay.
Tumpai inside.
Okay.
Time finish?
Tumpai.
Inside, huh? Okay, kapun cup. He told me go to inside, but straight and turn left. Some people is good. Thailand also almost good people, because if you asking any question, they good answer you, give you. Ayutthaya. Door is closed, so I think is not good inside. If I go there, is not better for me, because right now is evening time is maybe it will come after few minutes. Is very dark and raining season, so I don't want to go inside. Also door is closed. So this is my tour today, Ayutthaya. We will see later another side city view, but right now here is near temple. Here is somebody told me is too much places is beautiful, but I don't see anywhere. I just come here and see this temple. walk. I don't see somebody inside walking, but Ayutthaya is almost temple. All big temple here. This city. Yes, I think its entry fees 50 baht from this temple. The old story, and everyone come to here see this temple, Ayutthaya. Oh, big temple here. And also I think elephant people can take the helicopter. What is this, my friend?
This? I don't know. It's like a pond.
Only nothing.
I don't know.
There, where is the entry? This door?
Yeah, it is closed at 5 p.m.
Oh.
This is wait. There's the entrance from the building.
The entry fees also?
Yeah. This is 50
how much?
baht. 50 baht.
50 baht. And that one?
This is closed at 5 p.m.
Yeah, but close, right?
17 o'clock it's closing.
Okay, so I have to go just around only here and come back to.
Yeah. But you can go inside here if you want.
What is this inside, for example? Can I see? My camera?
Okay. All right. Now here came the secret. Here came the secret. This is what you see. This is ASMR.
Okay.
ASMR.
Okay, my friend. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Yo.
Bye. Take care. This one open and that one is closed already 5 p.m. But for me, I think it's nothing because just close it right now. And this one, the secret, somebody told me, I don't know what is the secret inside, but I think it's closed right now. Actually, the time is finished about 5 p.m. It will open morning and until 5 p.m. And this door open. What is writing here? All Thai language or English? Together project. Sorry for the inquiry. Oh, that is only for temple. Everyone come to here and see the temple only. Okay, viewers, we will see next city view, Ayutthaya. There is so many temple, but that one is closed already. That one open, but this is closed already. I don't know. Some people go inside. It's foreigner almost. Okay, so see you next video. Yes, this is the very old story. Is temple. Right now, some people inside, but I don't know. They will enter from here. Actually, from here is close it door. That's why foreigner come here, because this is the old story city. Old temple like Chiang Mai, Ayutthaya. This is the old story city in Thailand.